Welcome to this month's Stitch of the Month. This month I'm going to be showing you how to do the Trellis Lace Stitch. For the yarn we have our worsted weight silk roving, and for our needles I am working with a US 10.5 or 6.5 millimeter straight needle. So this pattern is done in a repeat of 4 rows, and once you get it down it's pretty easy to accomplish. So when you cast on, you're going to want to cast on in multiples of 6 plus 5. So I'm going to cast on 23 stitches. So for row 1, the first thing you're going to do is knit 4. The next step, you're going to yarn over, slip 1 purlwise, then you're going to knit 2 together, and then you're going to pass the slipped stitch over. So that'll be the second one down on your needle. I'm going to pass that over the top. And then you're going to yarn over and knit 3. Now we're going to repeat that again from the first yarn over. So we're going to start with 1 yarn over, slip 1 stitch purlwise, going to knit 2 together, then you're going to slip, or we're going to pass that slip stitch over the top. Then we're going to yarn over again, knit 3, and repeat that one more time. So yarn over, slip 1 purlwise, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, yarn over, knit 3, and then for the last stitch you're just going to knit that one too. So that was row 1. Row 2, you're just going to purl all stitches. Row 3 is pretty similar to row 1, but it's just a little offset. So first we're going to start with knitting 1, and then we're going to get into that same repeat. So yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together, then we're going to pass slip stitch, yarn over, and knit 3. Then we're going to do the same thing again. So yarn over, slip a stitch purlwise, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over the top, yarn over, and knit 3. And same thing again. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, and knit 3. So then you should have 4 stitches left on your left hand needle, and we're going to yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, and then knit 1. So that's row 3. And then row 4, you're going to purl all stitches. So to keep going with this stitch, you're just going to repeat rows 1 through 4 until your desired length.